Hello guys and welcome back. So now from this video onwards we will start working on our UI section in which we're gonna add our main menu and also we're gonna add the player UI. In the player UI we will be just adding the UI for the rifles in which we're gonna show that which rifle the player is holding or which rifle is currently active. Alright, so for that what we're gonna do is right here we're gonna create a canvas. So go inside the UI, then canvas. Name this canvas as player canvas, then click on 2D and double click on player canvas. Then in the player canvas we can create a new game object by the name of rifle images, and then inside this rifle images add a UI image. Name this as rifle 1 image. Alright, then in this rifle 1 image we're gonna drag and drop this first pistol. As you know that uh, uh, we have the first pistol in the player hand. Then what we're gonna do to this image, we need to move this to the bottom left. So I'm gonna select the rifle images and then hold the alt button on my keyboard and select this bottom left side. Turn on the gizmos so that you can see the player canvas. Alright, so here it is. If we click on game view, there is the rifle image. We need to resize this, for example, to width 70 and height 70 as well. Now as you can see, it looks good right there. After this we're gonna duplicate this and name this now as rifle 2, and as you know our second rifle is the SMG, so add that. Okay, it should be rifle 2 image. Then deactivate the first image. Here is our second one, and the second one width and height will be 80. Alright, you can then duplicate it again. This time name this as rifle 3 image. In this drag and drop this gun and again change it to 70 and 70 and disable this third one. I mean the second image. So once you add all of these, then you can disable all of the three images, and when you do that, then from the player open up this game manager script, and on this script right down below we're gonna create a header by the name of UI. In this header what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a reference to these three images. So I'm gonna say public game object rifle 1 image, then paste it 2 times and change this to 2 and this one to 3. After this create a game object array by the name of rifle images. Then in the start, when the game start, we don't want any of the rifle image to be activated, so for that we gonna first of all need to add all of our three rifle images inside this array. So in order to add it, we will say rifle image equals to new game object. Alright, and then let's pass the rifle 1 image, then the rifle 2 image, and then the rifle 3 image. Alright, once you add all of these three, we now first of all need to activate that image, or you can say we need to activate that rifle image which is currently in the player hands. So for that, right here in this cycle rifles, right after this string, we will create a game object by the name of current rifle image. This gonna be equals to the array rifle images, and to that we gonna pass the current rifle index. So now whatever rifle is active, it's gonna show that rifle image. Now we want to disable that rifle image as well if the player doesn't have it. So for that, right here, add a for each again, and in this we're gonna create a variable by the name of rifle image in the array rifle images, and then we're gonna say rifle image dot set active and set it to false. That is all you have to do for this. Now if you get back right here, we need to add all of the rifle images. So drag and drop the first one, then the second one, and then the third one right there. That's it. Now if we go ahead and play the game, we change the rifle. As you can see, we can't see the images, and as you can see, the images are not getting active, so there is an issue. And the reason behind it was not getting active is because right here we forgot to do that. So right here, make sure that you type current rifle image dot set active and set it to true. Alright, this is all you have to do. Then if you go ahead and play the game, and now let's change the rifle. As you can see, here is our first one, then the second, and then the third. Alright, so we can change rifles and we can show the rifle UI as well. And now with this done, let's end this video right here.